All right, so first up is cilantro. Do y'all see this cilantro? Cilantro is picking up and picking through. She is letting us know that she is here in the building. Okay, and I just want to show you real quickly. I think I showed y'all this last time. So I don't know if you can see that in the back, that black tubing. That's how it's watering. I always like to check in there just to make sure it's straight. And then here is the Y pad. And I don't know if you can see the water in there, but there she is. Yes, cilantro is in the building. She said, I'm here. And then up next, we have Breen. Oh, I also put these labels on here just so I can see as I get older. My eyes don't work as good. So I just want to make sure that as she grows, develops, and flourishes, that I can see what I'm working with. So again, here's the Breen. She said, I'm here. I'm in the place. Again, if you want to check out her roots, I always like to do I don't know if it's the nurse in me, the investigator in me. I always like just to look and make sure everything is good. And again, you want to look back there. I don't know if you can see it. You can see that tubing is straight. I always have this fear, not fear, but concern that the tubing is going to get kinked. And yeah, we're going to have trouble with the watering. I do not want any puddles. Okay, so on to Celery. Celery said, look, I'm here, but I'm thinking about this. I'm still thinking about this whole situation. And actually, this is the only one I think there's one other one that has not sprouted yet. And the thing I love about this membership that comes you can opt to purchase the membership that comes with this is they have a plant book. So you can go in the plant book and look and see all the facts about the plant. And so it tells you how many days it may take before you will see flourishing. So there's Celery. She's there. And here is Purple Kohbrabi. She is here. You see, she's sprouting. She's there. She's like, I'm here. I'm in this. I'm growing and developing. And then we have our collard greens. I cannot wait to take these collard greens. There they are. Collard greens in the place, in the building. You see it has like a little seed there. I'm always coming through looking, picking up anything that looks out of place to me. Okay, so there we have that. Gonna move on to the other side. This is the right side cube. Here we have green bok choy. I can't wait to put this green bok choy with the collard greens into my cook those together in the pressure cooker with some smoked turkey, either wings or necks. But yeah, green bok choy is in the building. Look at that. This is day 7. So So they are getting their daily morning routine of music. I keep the music on while I'm at work, and prayers and words. I've asked everyone here to go ahead and speak over her, meaning the garden. But yeah, that's green bok choy, salad green Tatsoi. So there she is. She's blooming. She's in the house. She said, I'm here. I just can't believe the development in 7 days. So here we go, spinach. I cannot wait to put this in some green juice. Yes, green juice, green smoothie, salads, and infused water. Well, I won't be putting spinach in infused water, but this is my end goal for all these plants. Here we have basil. Yes, I love to cook with basil. And here it is, basil, live and in color. You see her sprouting. She said, I'm here. I'm here. So on the first sprouts video, I don't think she had any, but there she is. And then here's some dill. Look at that dill. That dill is popping through. I think she was another one that had not quite sprouted yet. But there she is. This is the new microgreens that I have going that came since the first sprouts video. If you'd like me to break this down, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you want me to talk to you about that. Okay, so this going on to the middle row. Can you see that? It's not looking right. There you go. So we have the thyme. It's there. It's popping through. She is in the house. Okay, there she is. Sunflower. So yes, I was talking to them today and I was letting them know that, you know, they got to come through. They are welcome to grow and develop, and just preparing them that, you know, eventually down the line, we're going to have to choose. So yeah, there's a sunflower. So kale. Again, I can't wait to get into this kale. To use that for green juice, green smoothies, salads. I'm also going to use this for my Italian wedding soup. I don't know. Yeah, I'm so excited to use fresh kale. Okay. Another sunflower. And I don't know if you could see that in the side, like the little sprouting that's going on the side there, how the seed is coming out. I'm just so fascinated by that. But yeah, sunflower is my favorite flower, and there I have 2 of them. Okay. So here we are with the bunching onion. I don't think this one was coming through on the sprouts one either. First sprouts video, but here we are. She is coming through. Bunching onion said, "Don't count me out. I'm in this. I'm in this." Okay. All right, so let's go on to, again, this is the regular kale. So we have 2 types of kale that are going on here. And there you can see the update. And we have cauliflower. I can't wait to use this and some cauliflower rice. Yes, so that's coming through. She's like, here I am. I'm ready. I'm coming. Okay, next is the green Salanova. Am I saying that right? Y'all get down in the comments and let me know. Green Salanova is here. She said, I'm here. I'm in the place. I'm here. Okay, red Tatsoi. Tatsoi. There she is. Day 7. And then again, we have the lemon balm. I think when I did the sprouts, she didn't have anything going on. But you see, she got a little bitty finger peeking out of there. Okay, so that's the complete middle row. On to the left side, we have the veggie onion, the bunching onion. Again, you've seen the first one in the first row. This is the third row. And there it is, bunching onion. She said, I'm in this. Don't count me out. I'm here. Okay, we have the yellow Swiss chard. I cannot wait to taste this in a salad. So there it is. It is sprouting. It is going on. Okay. And then we have more spinach, perpetual spinach coming through. Okay. Perpetual spinach is coming through. She said, I'm here. I'm in the place. Don't count me out. And then we have another cauliflower. So there you go. Another mini cauliflower. Well, I'm going to be making mini cauliflower rice. Tokyo Bekana. Yeah, she is. Look at that. 7 day. I cannot believe this. I mean, I can believe it, but it just seems so. It's a demonstration of growth and development if you just keep going. And so red Sorrel, she is like the celery. She said, look, I'm here, but do not rush me. She said, do not rush me. I'm here and I'm doing my thing. Okay, I'm doing my thing. Give me some time. And again, if you ever have any questions, I love the fact that you can go into the app and the plant book and look up each plant and see what is going on. Purple Kohbrabi, there she is. I think she definitely was sprouting in the first video, the first sprouts video, but here she is once again, there she is. Okay, more green bok choy. Again, I can't wait to pair this up with the collard greens and put it in the pressure cooker with some smoked turkey wings or some smoked turkey necks with some of the bunching onion and see what it do. Okay, sweet Thai basil. So I think last time when I was doing the Sprouts video, it was nothing there. So you see now there's a little bit of something there, something going on. She said, I'm here. Don't rush me though. Don't rush me. Okay. And last but not least, we have the beets. Bull's blood beets. So you see that? Look at that. They standing up. I don't even think they were really coming through during the Sprouts video. But look at that. There she is. So in here, I have keep myself organized. Yeah. So this is what we have. This is what's going on. This is the update. Thank you so much for watching, for tuning in. If you have any tips, tricks, or inspirational things you'd like to share about your garden or how to move forward, please leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Help this video get to 50 likes. Thank you. God bless.